This is Bryson's room. There's Daddy. There's his little wall hangings. Mom got those for him. That's where I'll sit with the baby. There's the crib that Daddy got for him. My daddy. And there's his name up there. A little elephant Mama sent and a horsey. There's his little mobile. Love it. Beautiful crib. You see how pretty that crib is? Oh, wrong way. Nice. Okay, so then it goes from over there to the next wall. And there's the matching changing table. The diaper bag on the side. All his little stuff, blankets and clothes. There's my homemade diaper bag that my friend co-worker made for me. There's all his fabulous stuffed animals. We're working on the stuffed animal collection for him. Oh, hold on. You gotta check these out. Let me move this. The Air Jordans. Yeah, buddy. So, all his little stuffed animals. Out. Watch out, kitty. This is Bryson's room. / studio. Back to Bryson's room. I'm very happy with the way it turned out.